If you're a veteran, then you need to hear this. Are you missing out on a $4,000 monthly VA benefit? Imagine getting $4,000 a month through a VA program that most veterans don't even know exists. What would you do with that extra income? A much-needed vacation? Paying off some bills? Taking care of your loved ones? Stay tuned, because today, Vet Mentor AI is breaking down how you can access this life-changing benefit. We're gonna dive into the details, bust some myths, and make sure you have all the tools you need to get the support you deserve. Here's a shocking statistic. Over 70% of eligible veterans never apply for the benefits they've earned. Are you one of them? If so, don't worry, I've got you covered. Many veterans face challenges, whether it's navigating the healthcare system, finding their footing in civilian life, or managing unexpected expenses. There's a VA program that can provide eligible veterans with up to $4,000 a month. This is about ensuring that those who have sacrificed so much for our country receive the financial security and support they deserve. So grab a pen and paper, get comfy, and let's unlock the VA benefits you've earned. This VA program is called Aid and Attendance, designed to help veterans and their surviving spouses who need financial assistance due to health or mobility challenges. Whether you need help with daily living tasks or have significant medical expenses, this program could provide up to $4,000 a month. It could help cover the costs of in-home care, assisted living facilities, or even just provide some breathing room in your budget. And the best part? This benefit is tax-free. This program is about honoring your service and ensuring that you have the financial security to live comfortably. So, stick with me as we dive deeper into the eligibility requirements and see if you qualify. Think you're not eligible? Think again. One of the biggest misconceptions about aid and attendance is that it's only for veterans with 100% disability ratings. The VA looks at a variety of factors when determining eligibility, including your service history, your current health needs, and your financial situation. You might be eligible if you need help with activities of daily living, like bathing, dressing, or eating, or you might qualify if you have a disability that limits your mobility and requires you to use a wheelchair or walker. The bottom line is, don't count yourself out until you've explored all the possibilities. Chapter 4. Unlocking Eligibility. 4 Keys to Aid and Attendance. Eligibility. Tip number 1. Wartime service. You must have served during a wartime period. Combat experience is not required, but your service must fall within VA-defined wartime dates. Eligibility. Tip number 2. Health challenges. You must demonstrate a need for assistance due to physical or mental health challenges. Eligibility. Tip number 3. Financial limitations. This program is designed for veterans with limited income and assets. The VA excludes certain expenses like unreimbursed medical costs when calculating eligibility. Eligibility. Tip number 4. Surviving spouses. If you're the surviving spouse of a wartime veteran, you could also be eligible for aid and attendance as long as you meet the financial and health-related criteria. Chapter 5. Your step-by-step guide to applying for aid and attendance. Step 1. Complete VA Form 21-2680. Download it from the VA website at va.gov. Step 2. Gather supporting documents. This includes records like your discharge papers, medical expense documentation, proof of income, and any other relevant paperwork. Step 3. Submit your application. Mail your application packet to your regional VA office. Step 4. Consider professional help. Organizations like Vet Mentor AI offer incredible tools and resources to help you optimize your application and increase your chances of approval. Navigating the VA system can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to receiving the financial support you deserve. Chapter 6. Insider Secrets to Acing Your Application. Pro tip number 1. Work with a VSO. Veteran service officers can guide you through the application process for free. Pro tip number 2. Be thorough. Double-check every document, every field, and every signature before you submit. Pro tip number 3. Leverage AI tools. Vet Mentor. AI's tools like Grant, the virtual VSO, streamline the application process. Pro tip number 4. Be patient. The VA system can move slowly, so patience is crucial. Don't get discouraged if you don't hear back right away. Keep track of your application status and follow up with the VA if necessary. These tips could make all the difference in securing the benefits you've earned. Chapter 7. Real Stories, Real Impact, Aid and Attendance in Action. Let's talk about John, a Vietnam veteran who was struggling to make ends meet. John was facing mounting medical expenses and was worried about how he was going to afford the care he needed. He discovered that he did meet the eligibility requirements. Within 3 months he was approved and started receiving $3,800 a month in tax-free benefits. That money allowed him to hire in-home care, cover his medical expenses, and finally have some peace of mind. John's story is just one example of the life-changing impact aid and attendance can have. Outro: claim your benefits, your service matters. If you're a veteran or know someone who is, don't let these benefits go unused. This program exists to honor your service and provide the support you need. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more actionable tips to maximize your VA benefits. Check out the links in the description for downloadable application forms, links to find a VSO in your area, and information about Vet Mentor AI's resources. Take action today and unlock the benefits you've earned.